What is going on, guys? Custom RC Mods here. Today we're going to be making this thing right here, which is a special light pylon for your tiny hope racing. And my last video I did was a light gate, and I thought that was pretty advanced, but this thing right here, very simple, easy to build. I'm actually going to build it today for you. We're going to build a shorter version, and basically the longer that this beam is, or this pylon you decide is, it's going to be less light. So we're going to build this 2-foot version. This one's 3 foot, and going to be building a simple base to go along with it. So let's go ahead and get into the build. Let's hit the lights here, and I'll show you what basically is consisting of this model. So I have this fancy base on here that we're not going to build today, but the basic idea of this is a flashlight. This one is a 250 lumen Duracell flashlight, and it's basically aluminum tape, which is blocking out all excess light from spilling out of this connector, which I've taped up to a straight coupler and directly into a 3/4 inch PVC pipe down to this base. Now, once we got that done, you can build a base of your type. I'm just going to show you how to build a simple one today. So let's go ahead and turn that off. Whatever flashlight you have should work. I have another Duracell 250 lumen flashlight, and you want to pick some PVC pipe according to the size of the barrel of your flashlight. So you can see this one here. When you get the straight coupler, you can see how well those two match up. They match up near perfect, but even if it's a little bit bigger or smaller, that's fine. Just make sure that you get some opaque tape or some material to cover around it so there's no light leakage. Now, this stuff works extremely well. This is your aluminum tape that kind of is heat and cold resistant. Really good stuff. Usually found, in like building and construction, parts of hardware stores, things like that, because it's used in like sealing off your homes and things like that. So we're going to use that today. I've picked out a segment that I'm just going to go ahead and first attach to the flashlight, just like this, to kind of get the curve going. Let's bring it down just like that. Get the curve going. Get about halfway around the flashlight. Then we're just going to bring this fitting right in like that. And just like that, we can keep it going around. And wha-bam! Now we're done. You can see we got everything that we need. No light leakage, which is the good part. And you can just make sure that you seal this off. Now we're going to take our pipe, which in my case is a 2-foot version. You can make anywhere from, I would say, 2 to 4 feet. And anything longer than 4 feet, you're going to have a little bit of issues with light leakage or with light making it all the way down to the bottom. And one thing you can do to combat that is either have a higher powered flashlight, or you can change the settings on the flashlight, or you can put like tape on the inside so it like mirrors off and makes it all the way down. That's kind of a little bit more technical than what we're going to do today, so I'll leave that to you guys. I'll just put more of the tape on the inside. So we're going to go ahead and attach to that. We're not going to glue it or anything because it does not have to be permanent. You can change the size whenever you'd like. And we're going to go ahead and use another little piece right here to block off the end. And blocking off the end is surprisingly important because when you use this connector right here to make the base, there's going to be a lot of light leakage out the bottom because this is only 2 feet long. So what I'm going to do is just take this little piece of tape and put it right over the end. Once I got my measurement, I'm just going to kind of rip off the excess, put this over the end, make sure that it's all sealed, and then just kind of press down the corners like you would. The less tape here, the better, because it'll fit into the coupling and come out easier, and there will be overall just a sealed end that won't cause you a lot of stress when you're trying to get it in or out. So just press it in. It'll take a little bit more force than normal. Then we're going to put these two 6-inch segments right on the end like this. Once we have the two 6-inch segments, you can see it's completed. And what you might want to do here is you might want to tape it down, depending on how long or how tall your light is. For the 3-footer, I would recommend either using longer segments or going ahead and just taping these down, putting something inside here, I don't know, whatever, just to make sure that you are gonna make sure this doesn't fall over, I guess. So that's gonna be a really good light. You can see it already is turned on. You can go to the brightest setting, completely fills the tube up, and looks really great as well. So yeah, that's it for this build. Very quick and easy. I really love this thing. This flashlight's a little bit weird. But yeah, I've done a few of these, and these are definitely going to make an appearance on my upcoming light track once I get my tiny little parts in. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to go ahead and check out the rest of my videos 200 plus videos I have on my channel, Custom RC Mods, where you can check out all these little DIY things that can enhance your RC experience for little to no cost. And this one, of course, has a flashlight you're using around your house, some tape you probably have, and I have just some PVC pipe laying around my house, so this one costed nothing for me to make. That might not be the same for you, but either way, it's going to cost you very little. So thank you guys for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.